PP-25 Professional Milling Tool Grinder. When preparing to sharpen a mill, first insert it into the collet holder and secure. Adjust the swivel base to the desired grinding angle and fix the shank horizontally. Controlling the grinding wheel with the feed dial, sharpen the first cutting edge. To sharpen the second cutting edge, readjust the shank to an ascending 10-degree angle. Controlling the grinding wheel with the feed dial, sharpen the cutting edge. Now rotate the collet holder 180 degrees and fix in place. Controlling the grinding wheel with the feed dial, sharpen the second cutting edge. Now loosen off the collet holder clamp screw. Allow the slide to move all the way forward and tighten the screw once again. Now you can sharpen the center guide point bevels. Controlling the grinding wheel with the feed dial, rotate the collet holder 180 degrees between sharpening opposite bevels. Now loosen the base and adjust to 90 degrees. Make sure the shank is level at 0 degrees and clamp in place. Loosen off the slide stop and fix in the rearmost position. Extend the flute guide and fix in place. Now you're ready to sharpen the flute edges. First, adjust the tip of the flute guide to be level with the flute. As you use the collet holder feed dial, the stone will grind the flute edges evenly. For details on angle, taper adjustment, and operation, please refer to the owner's manual.